Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young boy named Tim. Tim was known for his kind heart and curious mind, but he struggled with hard work. One day, he stumbled upon a magical plow while wandering in the forest. The plow shimmered with a golden glow, and Tim was instantly drawn to it. He picked it up, and with a sparkle in his eyes, he took it back to his home. "Mom," Tim said, showing her the magical plow, "I found this in the forest. It's going to make our work easier." His mother, seeing the plow's beauty, agreed to let him try it the next day. The following morning, Tim woke up early and headed to the fields with his new magical plow. As he started to use the plow, he noticed that it was indeed easier to work. However, he found himself feeling bored and unfulfilled. The magic had taken away the challenge he once found in his work, leaving him feeling empty. One day, an old farmer passing by saw Tim's plow and asked, "What's wrong, Tim? You look troubled." Tim explained his predicament, and the old farmer smiled. "Magic isn't always the answer, Tim. Hard work and perseverance build character and teach us valuable lessons." Inspired by the old farmer's words, Tim decided to put away the magical plow. He returned to his daily chores, finding joy and fulfillment in the simple tasks. From that day forward, Tim began to understand the value of hard work. He learned that it wasn't the tool but the effort that mattered, and he grew to be a strong and compassionate young man. So remember, dear reader, that while magic can make things easier, it's the hard work and perseverance that truly shape us and help us grow.